What's up? I'm Billy Bolt and I'm out for Husqvarna factory racing. Yeah, Hard Enduro season hasn't been too bad. A lot of positives overall, really. Yeah, looking forward to heading into the SuperEnduro season. I've actually started to feel a lot better the last few months, started to make some good progress with the bike and the team's all working well, so looking forward to heading back indoors. Three-time defending champion, it kind of adds a little bit more pressure to the equation, but it also means that you're quite good at it, I guess. I do enjoy SuperEnduro. I wouldn't like to be known as Mr. Everything, but the last kind of 2 years of Hard Enduro hasn't gone my way. So no, that kind of puts a little bit more importance to me on making sure that I prepare properly and I come into the SuperEnduro season and give it my best possible shot. I think SuperEnduro suits my style pretty well. You know, coming from trials and a heavy trials background, I have a pretty good technical base, and you know, I can look for lines and read the track pretty well, and then at the same time I can ride, you know, pretty aggressively and forcefully and carry some good speed at times too. So I think the mix of skills I have kind of leads pretty well to SuperEnduro. The way I kind of look at a track, I think it was a little bit unique a few years ago. I think the other guys are slowly catching on, so it's time for me to get back to work and to find a few more areas where I can have an advantage. Yeah, so for 2024 we're heading to Newcastle for the final round, which is going to be really special. It's pretty much the first time I've ever done a race since, you know, becoming a professional rider of any description. At home I grew up 3-4 miles from the stadium. It's like literally couldn't be any more of a home round. Regardless of where it is going to be, just to have a UK round is special, but then the fact, you know, it's going to be at home in Newcastle is just the icing on the cake. Yeah, so winter time's come around again. I'm back on the SuperEnduro track and ready to head to a stadium near you.